northeast, force 5 to 6, increasing to force 7 in exposed areas. Moderate to rough, becoming very rough in open waters. Poor with fog patches, improving to moderate by afternoon. 2 to 4. 1. Navigation warning. A strict no-sail zone has been established.